welcome back to my channel. Today is the 24th of October and it's a Friday and I'm not at work because I'm on sick off because the dentist guy almost took me out, bro. That man almost took my life because what do you mean? But today the pain is like at a 4, to be honest at a 3 because we gotta go higher. Like that man won't get to 9. What I'm bolaga. Why is it? Anyway, because I'm a typical black child, I'm sick of agroforestry. We must do the things that we need to do that we can't do when while we're at work. So itinerary for today is that I'm gonna go to, I think, to the car parts shop. To the car parts shop and check for price of the bearing because I got those like a mechanic. And then I'm gonna go to Total Sports. And then I'm gonna check for a white shirt from Mr. Price and then buy Kitty go Bahumi. And then I'm gonna go to Biltong, and then later on I'm gonna pass by work because I need to sign declaration of interest. I feel better now. I feel so much better. Can't tell you my phone was like memory full. Phone. I went to get biltong from Rosie. Okay, it's not a car show, it's a wood. Well, I went to get biltong. Now I'm going to the Palana. I'm going to get I'm going to look for a shirt from Mr. Price and get laid by the get like a kit. So yeah, I still haven't gone to the spare shop thing for the girl bona for the beer and give them my buddies. On the floor. That's one. I know my dentist thing. I don't know if that was a compliment or not, but I think it was. The lady was like, "Elan Tabo and somebody who's my age, who's mature," and I'm like, "What?" Her little brother, he's the same age as me, and he's not doing big guy moves. I'm like, well, one, he's a guy. Two, people have different priorities nowadays. Like, you might have a permanent and pensionable job, and you might not still have a house. Like, your priority is not getting a house. Your priority is not getting a car. And we might say that that's not a wise move to do, but investment maybe he's interested in buying shares, maybe he's interested, that's his sort of investment. So yeah, let's go to the palace.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach.
Yo, sa fire mo ngwana mo eleng gore I can't breathe.
Tell her
mampempe asay 6. Hey, Wangis. Why don't you see? You is I just want to have money. I don't like it though. It's not getting white.
Door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guarding. Count to 10, lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire, fast forward to the grown.
So, the time is probably like 10 o'clock and I'm kind of hungry. And I'm tired. And my teeth are sensitive. So, I'm gonna buy Nando's. Do I afford Nando's? No. But am I gonna buy it anyway? Of course. So, let's go to a Nando's drive-thru. Got the chicken and chips, mild, in the leg, ice cream in there. Copa cone. Look, a cup of hair. Copa, copa, nigga, the cone. Okay, plain. Airplane, look on a salad sauce without the rest of the things. Okay, airplane, Alicia. Alright, thank you. So, can you even see me, girl? Can you see me now? Probably what the hell is going on in that car? Yes, it's almost 11 o'clock and I need to do why? Because I work hard for this money. So nobody can tell me nothing. Come on, Nando's, and I'm gonna eat my ice cream. Does this deserve to be 15 kula? A very controversial question. Mano Mabu says, I agree, you know that I went to the dentist yesterday. So I think I should go back to the dentist because yeah. Anyway, I'm just waiting for my food and then I'm gonna go home and eat my food and go to sleep and prepare for family fun day tomorrow morning. So I need to be early. Yeah. So I'll talk to you guys. Bye. Good morning, my good people. Good morning. Time for being ready and being cute. We don't have that time. So I'm gonna go to the printing shop and then I'm gonna eat on the way. I got this kombucha probiotic thing because I got already probiotic. It was very expensive. Better taste good. So good morning, guys. I'm gonna take you guys with me today. So yeah, let's go. I'm gonna taste this. Okay, settle before you explode the lamaguleng. Let's go because we don't have time. You see me? You know, okay, I'm gonna shake a hand. Oh my god. Banyanitila bara banodi kambusha bara ajezo. Nanto se chama banjero jero la golwa. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My social battery is at 0. Yeah, but people are playing 30 seconds, others are playing cards, others are playing Monopoly. Yeah. I don't know, I think I should maybe end the video here because I don't think I'm gonna do anything else after this. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you like, share, subscribe, comment and become a part of the family, and I'll see you guys next week, same time, same place. Yes, because I'm starting to be consistent. I post every Thursday now because I'm that girl. Yeah, I'm trying to be serious about what I like because I really love YouTube. I like editing, I like taking videos, I like doing all the jazz. So yeah, don't forget to be nice to somebody because you do not know what they're going through, and remember that you are loved, you are more than enough, and you are forgiven. Thank you for watching guys. Bye. Can you tell that my mood is at 0 because I'm so tired?